we go. We're testing the G7X
Vlogging.
Canon camera.
V-blog.
We're driving.
Here,
Driving
we're
to
driving.
UPS.
Here's RJ. RJ. We're vlogging. Yes, we go to the UPS. Grab something to return.
Beautiful day in Utah. Hot.
It's so
95
hot.
degrees. Should have brought RJ's bathing suit. Could have went to the splash park.
It's late now.
And also the water slide.
Oh, Cherry Hill.
Yeah.
To the UPS.
We'll show you when we got home.
Oh, they're selling corn.
Is
Yeah.
there corn?
Yep, some stands.
Hi.
What you say, RJ?
There's my preschool.
Preschool down there.
RJ is a preschool graduate.
Yep.
Kindergarten next month.
Next month.
It's coming quick. He's already got his backpack, lunchbox,
Yeah, mini construction here, the road.
You know what?
notebook and pencil too. You got.
I have a hot wheel lunchbox and also a
That's right.
Batman.
A free Hot Wheel.
And also Batman
Yeah.
backpack. Just inside already, I saw a Batman character.
Wasn't it Lego Batman?
Yeah.
Yep.
And there is Subway.
Yep. Subway.
You go to Way.
Where's the UPS,
You go
RJ?
to Subway, they do Way. Stay Way.
Subway.
Way. Here comes Way.
Yeah, here it is.
Where's
Fresh-
the
There's
UPS?
fresh apples. They
Sign up there, I guess.
Yep, UPS there.
Oh,
Here
the
it is. Here's RJ. I'm just waiting here. It's so hot outside. Okay. Bye. Okay, we're done now.
Oh, they went out of business.
Where we go, RJ?
RJ was right.
RJ, where we go now?
Did you hear what I said?
store.
They went out of business.
Yeah.
What's it called?
Fresh Market.
Fresh Market, gone. First I go to McDonald's.
Then I'm gonna get frosty there.
You share with mommy?
No.
Yeah, eat the whole thing yourself.
There it is. McDonald's.
Just love it, man.
We're here now in Wendy's.
You get a Frosty.
7-Eleven there.
You get 2 Frosties.
Frosty here.
Look in front.
What in front?
He's not moving. The floor there is not moving.
Oh, really?
That was funny. I backward glasses.
What you doing when you backward? Upside down.
No.
Right. Okay, you want your ice cream now, RJ? Here you go.
Fun.
No. Okay. Try to eat.
Where's the spoon?
Where's the spoon, Daddy?
You got it.
Careful that, RJ. Here it is. RJ. No, don't do that. Okay,
We'll drive by and see how crowded the splash
look
park
at the
was.
park. RJ, a few people there.
It's like the splash park. They closed it 3 minutes ago.
Oh, still work the plus park, RJ.
Let's start coming
Have
out.
kids there.
Need to put the bike.
Parking. It's like a look at the
There it is.
playground, a splash park. Eat my ice cream.
Okay, sign up.
RJ is just kidding. Yeah, it's a beautiful subdivision right against the mountains. It's almost done. There's like 2 more lots left to sell. These are selling in the 400.
Oh, but tent there.
A teepee.
What?
A teepee they call that. That's for Indians.
Here, Indians. Maybe.
Tent.
Hey, Daddy,
Yeah?
how do we get up the mountain?
You want to go up it?
No, 4.
Never went up there.
No,
I didn't go.
where was it? No,
Farmington.
no, wait, no. When we went to, you remember we went to Park City?
Well, that's a different one, yeah.
Where was that?
When was that? Last year we went.
No, I said, where was it? Where, how you get, where,
There is the mountain view.
Beautiful view.
when,
These are small properties here.
when you was driving, I saw a road. Dog white. Do you want the up inside the house? Why does kid walking away? That's their house.
This, I like that house.
Which
See?
one?
Here's the cul-de-sac here.
They bought that property. They should buy the property next door too. Everybody next door neighbor. You're down here, you got no view.
What is that
Yeah.
people trying to date for?
Landscaping. Look at all the rocks they put in.
Because they want the pet rock there?
Yep. And eventually plants. Putting topsoil in.
That house I like.
But can't go in there.
So expensive.
Can't go in there now. Caution, caution.
Look at that color of the brick. I like that.
Yep, it's nice. I like it too.
There's the White House there.
Yeah, look, they're doing landscaping already. Some people.
Why there's dirt?
Yep. It's expensive.
Up,
for landscape.
Amazon box. I
There it is.
Look at
For
there's
sale.
the
This is the last lot. So
Hey, Daddy?
the last lap.
they're asking top dollar
Daddy?
premium. Yeah.
I saw an Amazon box in that house behind you.
Oh, okay. Yeah, Amazon delivers everywhere.
Yep.
Nice view. Antelope Island that was just past.
Yep.
When we go down,
You want to go there? Okay, we should go there next week.
no, it's Motto.
Tomorrow, you want to go? There's a lot. There's one about like that.
Yep, up there one time.
Blocked out. There's $1 million home over here.
Yep, there.
There it is.
There's $1 million.
See the gate? That's,
See that, the house.
What's that gate?
that's the gate to the driveway. The millionaires.
Look at that. It's nice.
There's a garage down there.
So big house.
Okay.
See? That's their backyard.
See, look at the
What's this over here?
I can't even.
Oh, a private lane. Look at that.
mountain. There he
Oh, look at all the
is.
flags up there.
Oh, look.
We're in the middle of rush hour.
Look at that, the traffic.
No, we're in the middle.